So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to italicize text inside of a table on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what you have to do, go to the top, add a table to your design. Once that is done, simply just go ahead and type in whatever text you want. So if I just want to type in the word italicized, just like that. As you can tell, it's not italicized. If you want to change that, simply just press on the text right here, then go to the top right to where it says text right here. So you may be on table, press on text, go down to where it says this I right here or italicized, press on that. Then all of a sudden, voila, your text is now italicized. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to italicize text inside of a table on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.